Running a multilingual website can be a lot of work. You have to copy pages, link them correctly, and translate all content into multiple languages. In this video, I will show you how to create a multilingual website easy with TypeML and how to use AI-powered translations to speed up the whole process. Okay, let's start. So we are in the TypeML author interface now, and the first thing you have to do is setting up a multi-language project. So for this, I go to Systems, and then I click the tab Projects, and then I can enable a multi-language website with this option. And all you have to do is to create ID for your base language. This is a normal website that you run. This is English, and you have to create a label. The label is English, and now you can create additional projects for each language. In this case, I added a project for German language and a project for French language. All I have to do now is click on Save. And when you return to the content area, you can see now a language switch here, and you can switch to each language with just a click. The language projects are empty by default, and we want to fill them up with translations now. To do this, we go to the first folder here, and then we can click on the language tab that you see above each page. Okay, let's start with the German version, and to create a new language you just have to translate this URL segment. It's getting started, and in German this is just starten. And then you can copy the page by clicking this create button. You will see a message here, page created, and then you can visit the page with the visit button, and we'll switch to the German language project, and you see that all the content is copied here. And now you can start to translate everything. But of course, this is a lot of work. And you can simplify this a little bit by using AI. To use AI, make sure that you have activated the AI service. To do so, just click on System and then click the AI tab. And here you can choose right now between ChatGPT and Claude, and you can choose a model and add your API key. So let's go back. Let's go to the German version. Let's go to the page, and now we can open the content with this AI button. And now we can just use a prompt to translate it. So translate this article into German. Let's send it. Take some time. Exceed your quota. What's that? Okay, I guess my credit balance was empty, so I added some more credits at OpenAI, and now I will try again and hope it works now. And yes, it works now. So it has translated everything, and I can store it by clicking on the store button, and now everything is translated. The point is that only the article is translated, but the metadata are not translated yet, so I have to translate them manually. But to be really honest, this is still too complicated and still too much extra work. And now in the next step, we want to automate all this translation work. To do so, let's go into the system settings. Let's go open the project tab again, and there you have a checkbox AI auto translation, and we will check it, and let's try it out. We will go to the first page here, the first subpage. Again, go to the language tab, and now we will translate it again. We will create a translation page again by translating this quick start URL segment. This is in German Schnellstart. Now I will click on create again. And now you see it's a message that it's translating the page already. It will take some time, of course, because it has to send all the content to the AI servers, but now it's ready. And now let's visit the new page, and you see everything is translated already. And not only the article is completely translated, but also the metadata are completely translated. Yeah, and the only thing that you have to do now is checking the content, reading it, fixing some errors, and then click on publish, and you are done.